Hello world, I'm Kei from Japan. Today I introduce the rent market and real estate situation in Japan. First, let's start with a room tour of my room. I live in a city called Okinawa City, Okinawa. Futenma Air Base located in there. I'm single and living in what is called 1LDK type room. This is a living space and kitchen. This is bedroom. This is my workspace. I'm a web designer. Bathroom. Restroom. This is anime figure display. The rent is 60,000 yen. The overall room size is 42.23 square meters, which translated to about 440 square feet. It's large enough for one person to live alone. Okay, let me explain about the rent market in Japan. I think it will be useful for foreigners who want to rent a room in Japan. And I worked very hard on the material, so please check it out. This is the property detail screen of typical Japanese real estate website. Many foreigners may not be able to understand what is going on when they see this. So let me first explain the difference in units. In Japan, there is a custom of using tatami size to describe the size of a room. Ichijo means one tatami size mat, which when converted to square meters is 1.62 square meters. 1 square meter is 10.7639 square feet. So for example, the size of a 6 tatami room, 6 is approximately 104.63 square feet. In Japan, there are unique designations such as 1R, 1K, 2DK, and 3LDK. The term 1R refers to one room, but overseas it means studio apartment. 1K refers to one kitchen, which also means studio apartment in foreign countries. By the way, DK means dining kitchen and LDK means living dining kitchen. Both 1R and 1K refers to studio apartments, but what is the difference? 1R refers to a combined kitchen and living room. 1K refers to separate kitchen and living room. Okay? Then I'll explain the difference between DK and LDK. Both 1DK and 1LDK refer to a one-bedroom apartment, but to call it a 1DK requires approx 78.5 square feet or more of kitchen space. To call it 1LDK requires approx 140 square feet or more of kitchen space. To call it 2DK requires approx 104.63 square feet or more of kitchen space. To call it 2LDK requires approx 174.4 square feet or more of kitchen space. Difference between DK and LDK is the amount of space in kitchen. The required kitchen space varies depending on whether it's 1DK, 1LDK, or a 2DK, 2LDK, or larger. Now, let's take another look at Japanese real estate information. Here is an example of a 1K room in Asakusa, Tokyo. 1K means studio apartment. Yoshitsu means Western style room. Western style room has no tatami. Senyu menseki means exclusive area. 8.1 jo tatami size mat is approx 141.2 square feet. Senyu menseki is 26.09 square meters, so 280.1 square feet. If you want to remember to keep it simple, multiple jo tatami size by 17 for the size of the individual rooms. Multiple square meters by 10 for the size of the entire room. This is fine. Okay, here is the final test. Here is an example of a 2DK room. Dining room and kitchen, 5.2 tatami mats. DK equal 88.4 square feet. 洋室 Western room 1, 4.3 tatami mats. Means bedroom A equal 73.1 square feet. 洋室2 Western room 2, 4.8 tatami mats. Means bedroom B equal 81.6 square feet. Okay, are you beginning to understand? Here we should also keep in mind the cases where rents are likely to be higher. Point 1. Close to the station. Point 2. Built recently. Point 3. Pets are allowed. Point 4. Close to the city center. Okay, these conditions tend to make rents more expensive. Next is the market rent in Tokyo. Left is a map of Japan. The red area is Tokyo. Rent prices in Tokyo vary greatly depending on whether the property is located within the 23 wards area painted pink or not. Here is the ranking of Tokyo's rent rates from number 1 to number 3. This is an example of 1R to 1DK type studio apartment. The first place is Minato Ward. The average rent for 1R to 1DK is 120,000 yen. Minato Ward, Tokyo's central district, attracts a large number of people, is conveniently accessible, and offers a full range of commercial facilities and welfare services. In second place is Chiyoda Ward. The average rent is 170,600 yen. Chiyoda Ward is the center of Tokyo, home to Tokyo Station, the Diet Building, and the Imperial Palace where the Emperor resides. The lack of residential areas also affects rents. In third place is Chugo Ward. The average rent is 104,000 yen. Chugo Ward is also located in the center of Tokyo. It's famous for the Kabukiza Theater, Tsukiji Market, Ginza, and Nihonbashi. It is a commercial area, and the residential area is not so large. Next, let's look at rental rates in popular areas of Tokyo for foreigners. The average rent in Shibuya Ward is 95,500 yen. Shibuya is Japan's fashion center where a large number of young people gather. The average rent in Shinjuku Ward is 79,800 yen. Shinjuku is one of the world's leading visitors industry cities with a concentration of large stores, hotels, restaurants, and service businesses, and many visitors from abroad. Ikebukuro is in the Toshima Ward. The average rent is 70,000 yen. Ikebukuro is a downtown area with many commercial facilities and restaurants, but it is also a center of young people's anime and otaku culture. Asakusa is located in Taito Ward. The average rent is 91,400 yen. Asakusa is a popular area for foreigners with the Tokyo Skytree nearby, temples, stores full of emotion, and delicious gourmet food. Popular place Ueno is also located in Taito Ward. Next, let's look at average rent ranking by prefecture. Tokyo and neighboring Kanagawa has the highest average rent ranking, followed by Osaka. As expected, rents in the Kanto area Osaka, Fukuoka, Aichi, and other large cities tend to be high. Okay, I would also introduce prefectures with the lowest rental prices. The lowest rent price is in Tottori Prefecture, where the average rent is 43,801 yen. The prefecture with the lowest rent is Tottori, which is about 60% of the average rent in Tokyo. The area is rich in nature with the famous Tottori sand dunes as a tourist attraction. Then I'll explain how to find the rental properties in Japan that foreigners can move into. For those who can understand Japanese, search for Chintai, area name, 外国人か foreigners allowed on Japanese real estate websites. You should use Japanese language, kanji, katakana, so it's very difficult. For those who have difficulty understanding Japanese, if you search rental apartment in Tokyo on the search engine, you will find real estate websites with English descriptions. These real estate services are recommended because they have English-speaking staff on hand. That's all. Was this information helpful? In the following video, I'll explain the theme. Why is it so difficult for foreigners to rent a house in Japan? There are many reasons for this, including differences in contractual aspects, national identity, and cultural differences. How was today's video? If you find this video interesting or useful, please feel free to like it, subscribe to our channel, or comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.